Guys, I didn't want to come in front of you like this, man, but I'm just gonna be up front, man, upright, and keep it 100% real, man. I started trapping. You know, sometimes in life you're forced to do things that you don't want to do, man. And I did all I could, man. I spread out all my options in front of me, and I had no other choice, man. My homeboy said the trap was on fire and it was going down, so I hate to say it, man, you know. I really didn't want to, but I'm gonna lay it out in front of you. I'm gonna let my actions and words and videos speak for themselves. But guys, I had to do it, man. Trap or die.
Rattle trap. Absolutely busted.
God.
And you can't keep it a secret when the fish jumps and you hear that damn rattle. You know what people's using.
Yeah. That's it. Yeah. Decent fish too. Yeah.
Man, I know fish don't get it.
You called it.
You just gotta take your time and let stuff develop.
Decent fish too. Head shakes.
That's a good thing he's not coming up. You got him?
Yep.
That's what I do. Running about that size.
This is the first decent fish of the day. Hopefully many more to come and some big fish. You're out here slaying it with Kim.
Oh, yeah.
Got one?
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh. Might be on now.
It's on.
How's that one feel?
That was a real hard
Thud.
yo-yoing.
Yeah. That side mine hit when I hit it on the hard yo-yo.
About what you call
About the same size.
small.
Yeah, man. They hit it on that really hard yo-yo.
Well, my spot is still putting out.
Oh, that's a good one, ain't it?
Yeah, look juvenile feels like. But man,
I saw you when you
he was all over it.
I saw your rod bend, man. I was like, man. Yeah.
I seen it. I didn't take but just a few turns, and as soon as that bait done a sideways,
Yeah.
he was all over it.
Well, it was cool because I saw you lay into it and your rod was like, I was like, man.
But he hit that bait on up, and it was already planing
Yep.
in the water.
And that's how it was for me on my first one, man. It kind of threw me off at first. That was a little better one.
Yeah.
That was cool. Like, it looked cool.
I felt that rattle trap when it planed up,
Uh-huh.
and he just boom.
Another one?
I crossed where you've been fishing at.
Came at a different angle.
Yeah.
He must have been hooked funny, yeah. All right, he might be cooked in the eyeball or something.
Look to the side,
Sad.
on the top, I think, right behind the door.
That's a catfish, man.
A catfish. Man.
You got a catfish. Kind of a pretty cat.
If I'd have caught you closer to the head, you could have seen that one coming.
Oh, boy.
Firing away.
Keep firing away.
Hey, it ain't over until it's over.
To the fat lady sings.
That was pretty close to the bank.
That one was close to the bank.
That thing out. Now that's
For real.
about the size of a fish.
God, he ate it, man. Another lipless crankbait fish. Let's get him.
That rattle trap.
Well, guys, that's what it was, man. You know, the trap was on fire, man. The spot was booming, you know. The homie Kim told me that they wanted it. And, you know, you got to give the people what they want. So the trap was the option, man. The Bill Lewis rattle trap. Big shout out to the homie Steven on Instagram for putting me on the trap, man. You the real homie. You know, you put me on, and I was able to turn up for the city one time. All right. Now, the trap don't stay hot forever, man. You have to go from one thing to another thing. You know, you got to stick and move. So, on this next video, I met up with the big homie, a.k.a. young Tarzan, DeeWild TV, and rough conditions, you know, you gotta make it do what it do, but we still got out there and we got on a little tiny boat, guys. You gotta stick and move. So let's get into that next video with the big homie, DeeWild TV.
Got him?
Yep.
Nice.
First one on the spinnerbait.
Nice.
The Vantage Bait spinnerbait.
That was quick, boy.
Moving water, man. Moving baits.
Got another one back there, fella.
Oh yeah. I like the heart, buddy.
Told you, if they gonna bite hard. It's gonna be a nice quality fish. Cut it out to the outside and then turn off the motor.
Tom, this way?
Out to the outside of the deep end. Or if you want to bring it to me, I can land it for you. Oh, we got a net, brother.
Yeah, we do got the net. What are those things, man?
What is what?
Nets.
Yeah. We never use one.
We don't
of those,
use nets
man.
around here, man. New net, new baits. It is going down, my friends. All right, guys, first fish of the day on the Vantage Baits spinnerbait. Something hit it that quick just then.
You hit it?
Mm-hmm. Got him.
No way, dude.
Yep.
That's a good one.
It's a good fish.
Here, I'm gonna get the net. I got the net, brother. Oh, right here. Bring it this way. No! You gotta bring it.
Dude, I'm better without the net, man. That's 2.5. 2.5.
It was a beautiful fish.
Dude, they are smashing the spinnerbait, man.
Bro. On the banks.
Yeah, hitting on the fall.
Yeah. That's the big one. That's the big one that lives here. Oh,
That's a
not
better
big
one. That's a better
good
one.
She's a good one, but not that big.
See, fighting hard. Yeah, buddy. Got him. Freaking spinnerbait, dude. It's killing them.
Putting them to them.
All right, guys. Number 2 for the day on the spinnerbait. They are chomping it, man. Windy days, man, leads to big fish. Let's get after her. We're trying to find that giant. Put on.
Look at what we trying to fish through, man.
We do this for y'all.
Like, look at it.
White capping and the bass raider.
I don't think people like can trust that now. They get that combo, they get a little scared.
It's a little shaky. The fish should bite though, man. As far as the timing though, man, like the bait's supposed to pick up at like 2 o'clock, so this is right when it's supposed to be good. Got one? Uh-oh. Yeah, buddy. My man said he had one. Gonna flip him in. DeeWild. DeeWild TV. Oh.
Not bad. Not one of
It's on the board.
Appreciate it, man. I needed that, bro.
I know you got quiet on me, man. I was like, hey, bro, you gonna get one, man.
Dang, they cold.
Cold?
Cold.
My man.
Fish was cold?
Nah.
Feel him.
Oh, yeah, he is chilly. It's a chilly bass.
First one, man.
First one of the day for DeeWild.
Cold.
Whoa.
Hey, man, you needed that, bro.
Got you some momentum now. That changes everything.
Yeah, I felt that as soon as it went over there, went by the wood tick.
It's game time. Which, that works now, man, because you can target some of these spots I can't get as much with this bait.
Yeah.
Well, guys, that is a wrap. I don't know if you can hear me, but this wind is cutting it. It is crazy. Hey, man, we made it through with the Bass Raider, which is no joke, man. Thank God I got 55-pound thrust. But today was all about the spinnerbait for me. Caught 3 on the spinnerbait, and DeeWild caught 1 on the crawl. So, hey, man, make sure you subscribe to both of our channels, and I'm going to get out this win, and we'll catch you guys on the next video soon.